As a business, you know the importance of having a firewall to protect important information and safely secure your network. This firewall is vital to your business. Sadly, many times you will see this firewall unracked, stacked on top of other appliances with wires going everywhere, creating a big mess. With this unsecured setup, you will commonly see appliance overheating, loss of power due to power supply disconnection, inefficient access to ports because they are in the back of the appliance, and messy cables. Rackmount.IT mount kits clean up this disaster. Our kits are designed to safely secure your business desktop firewall. First, the appliance is safely fixed to the rack mount kit. Our kits come with custom airflow cutouts to ensure proper appliance cooling. This helps to prevent appliance overheating. Next, the power supply is secured to the kit with the provided ties. This eliminates the possibility of the power unnecessarily disconnecting. Cat6 cables bring the connections from the back of the appliance to the front for easy front port access. Pre-assembled Cat6 couplers and cables are used to ensure the highest connection. Front-facing connections give easy access when needed. Our rack mount kits support firewalls from vendors including Fortinet, Barracuda, Cisco and CISCO Meraki, Checkpoint, SOPHOS, SonicWall, WatchGuard, Palo Alto Networks, and Vertiiv. With our ever-expanding product line, we are sure to have a rack mount kit to cover your appliance. Installation takes less than 5 minutes. Our racks are perfect for small to mid-sized business, retail, franchise, multi-location businesses, as well as government and education.